Are you one of those instructors that loves to take notes on the whiteboard? No problem. I have a trick here for you that will work fabulously with your Zoom class. You need to have two different devices, and in my case, I have my laptop, which I'm going to be hosting class in Zoom, and then my cell phone, which is going to be the camera that will actually show my handwritten notes to the class. So go ahead and follow along. Make sure you have Zoom downloaded on your phone so that way you can see how I'm making this happen. Okay, let's give this a whirl. Go ahead and start a new Zoom meeting on your computer. Head over to your cell phone, open up your Zoom app, and start another Zoom meeting on your phone using the exact same room. A dialog box is going to appear asking you about audio. Let's hit cancel. We don't want any audio on our phone. I have my preferences in Zoom set to not show any videos, so I had to turn that on and flip my camera around so that way my camera is actually focused on my notes. So we've got our setup ready to go. We have already started our Zoom meeting and we're just waiting for students to appear in our room. And here they are. So go ahead and find the window that has your notes in it and toggle over to the additional options button denoted in blue with three little dots. Click on Spotlight Video. This is actually the feature that's going to bring your notes up front and in center for your students to be able to see them clearly. And in order to make this little trick work, you're going to have to become comfortable turning on and off spotlights so that way your notes are up front and then just part of the regular gallery. When you're done, click on Cancel the Spotlight as I'm showing you, and then you can flip around to the different normal speaker views that you're used to. Okay, phew, I've tossed a lot of information at you, but I am confident that you can make this work. Let's wrap up a few key points that I want to highlight before we end the video. 1, make sure you're using something to keep that camera stable. You don't want that moving around while you're taking notes. It'll make it really hard to follow. 2, make sure you have adequate lighting on your sheet of paper. 3, use Sharpies or something really bold as you're taking notes. Write big and clearly. For an accessibility point of view, I'm recommending a piece of paper so that way you can keep track of these notes if you need to share them with students who are not able to read them on the screen. And last but not least, remember to toggle between Spotlight Video being on and off so your notes are right up in front and center when they need to be and really in the background when they don't need to be up in front. Okay, have fun. Let me know if you have any questions.